Hello everyone, and welcome to this month's Community Spotlight on SAP Fiori. My name is Emil Voutta, I'm part of SAP Design, and I'm leading a great team of designers behind the mobile design system, SAP Fiori for iOS and SAP Fiori for Android. At SAP, we are the ones advocating for the mobile business users. And lucky enough, we found some great support here from Apple and Google. They have helped us to augment the capabilities of iOS and Android to become enterprise ready. Since 2016, we've been investing into a proper mobile design system and platform that allows to build great applications in a very efficient way. And also this year, we made some significant improvements with evolving the mobile design system and software development kits for iOS and Android even further. We've introduced a whole new visual design with the Horizon themes for both light and dark mode. And by doing so, we've also improved the accessibility of all our existing components. For the iOS users, we've even been able to deliver an increased contrast theme that reacts to the global iOS settings and bumps the contrast ratios by another 20%. On top of that, we are using these strong theming capabilities to now enable customer branding of applications. That means if you're using the theme designer as of today, you can just inherit these color values and they will now change the way your SAP mobile applications do look. Besides all those visual enhancements, we've also brought new features and entirely new components to the software development kits and mobile design system this year. A good example for that is like our improved onboarding or filtering, privacy notice, improved input fields, an even more capable object header, card components for object and list representation, and so much more. We always make sure that we are listening to the feedback from the end users and the customers to see where we are going, where we do invest into new components and enhanced features. To find out all the details about those new features, I would encourage you to take a look at our design guidelines and read through all the details, including the foundation of our mobile design system. As we deeply care about the designer and developer experience, we are also offering design resources like Figma UI kits, and we are providing the so-called Fiori Mentor apps. They are available in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store to download for your phone and tablets, and you can experience the SAP design system and SDK in your hands. All of this is in an effort to support your application projects as good as we support our internal stakeholders. When talking about the internal stakeholders, Mobile Start is one very good example where a team has been embracing our new design direction from the get-go. SAP Mobile Start is an app that serves the needs of multiple business personas and is the entry point to the SAP mobile portfolio. Data is being integrated even into the operating system level via widgets or the global search of iOS and Android. And users can access work items, notifications, and other applications through this one app. It's a great example for integration and mobile experience coming together. I hope this was a good introduction to what we've been recently up to with the mobile experience at SAP, and I would love to talk to you more about what's currently in the making, what's coming, and how we can support you even better. So please join us to our community call, and I'll bring some experts with me to answer your questions. Thank you.